I was completely stuck. It honestly felt like my own body was working against me. No matter how clean I ate or how hard I hit the gym, I was just exhausted, bloated, and holding onto this stubborn weight that wouldn't go away. I was doing everything right, or so I thought, but my energy was zero and my metabolism felt like it had just packed up and left. Does that sound familiar? For months, that was my life. I was trapped in this frustrating loop of waking up tired, chugging caffeine to get through the day, and ending it feeling totally defeated. It was like my body had just given up. I knew something needed to change, but I had no clue where to start. That is, until I stopped focusing on each problem by itself and started looking at the whole system, starting with my gut. It really does all begin in the gut. If your digestion is a mess, nothing else in your body can work the way it's supposed to. You can't absorb nutrients properly, your immune system takes a hit, and your metabolism just stalls out. So, the first 4 ingredients in this stack have nothing to do with burning fat. They're all about building a solid foundation. First up is deglycyrrhizonated licorice root, or DGL. And no, this isn't the candy you're thinking of. It's a special extract that is incredible for your digestive health. DGL encourages your body to produce more mucin, which is the natural, protective coating in your stomach and intestines. This helps soothe any irritation and shield the lining of your digestive tract. Studies have found DGL to be incredibly effective at soothing the stomach, with some research suggesting it can be just as helpful as traditional antacids for certain issues. Next is star anise. This star-shaped spice has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to handle digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its natural compounds, like inettol, help relax the gastrointestinal tract, which can calm down discomfort and promote smoother digestion after meals. It's a fantastic ingredient for immediately tackling that bloated feeling. The next 2 ingredients work as a team to support our gut foundation: chicory root inulin and larch arabinogalactan. Both of these are types of prebiotic fiber, which is basically fertilizer for the good bacteria in your gut. Chicory root helps calm down bloating and gets things moving regularly and smoothly by feeding these tiny allies. Then, we add larch arabinogalactan, a special fiber extracted from the heartwood of the larch tree. It also acts as a potent prebiotic, further encouraging the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and supporting overall digestive health. A healthy gut microbiome is so important for everything from digestion to your immune system, and this duo provides the fuel for it to thrive. Together, DGL, chicory root, and larch arabinogalactan help create a calm, happy digestive system that's ready to actually absorb and use the powerful metabolic ingredients we're about to add on top. Okay, so with that foundation in place, it was time to go after my metabolism directly. This is where the next 3 ingredients come in, and trust me, these are the heavy hitters of the stack. The first one is berberine hydrochloride. Berberine is a natural compound that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science shows it's a total powerhouse for metabolic health. It works by flipping on something called AMPK, often called the metabolic master switch. Activating AMPK helps your body handle insulin better, keeps blood sugar levels in check, and even supports your heart health. Next, we have resveratrol. You've probably heard about this one in red wine, but when you get it in a concentrated form, it's a seriously potent antioxidant. Resveratrol works by activating a different pathway called SIRT1, which is all about cellular repair and longevity. This process actually mimics some of the amazing health benefits of fasting, helping to fire up your mitochondria, the little energy factories in your cells. And the final powerhouse is quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid, a natural plant compound with powerful antioxidant properties. It helps fight off damage from free radicals, calms inflammation, and supports your immune system. Think of quercetin as the support crew for the other 2. It helps reduce all that cellular stress, making sure your body can run at its best. Now, you could take any of these ingredients by themselves and probably feel some benefits. But the real magic happens when they all work together. This isn't just a random pile of supplements, it's a team where every player makes the others better. Here's the key. Berberine flips on that AMPK master switch, and resveratrol activates the SIRT1 longevity switch. When you turn on both of these at the same time, you get a much bigger, more powerful effect on your metabolism than you would with just one. In fact, Some studies show that combining berberine and resveratrol can lead to bigger improvements in cholesterol and triglyceride levels than taking either one alone. What's more, resveratrol has been shown to help your cells absorb more berberine, making it even more effective. Meanwhile, quercetin is running cleanup, providing that antioxidant support to protect your cells from the stress of a metabolic tune-up. And it all works because of that solid foundation we built with DGL, chicory root, and larch arabinogalactan, which makes sure your body can actually absorb and use every last bit of these amazing compounds. This combination completely changed the game for me, but remember, this was my personal journey. The science behind these ingredients is really exciting, but supplements aren't a magic bullet or a replacement for a healthy diet and lifestyle. They're tools to support the system. If you've ever felt stuck the way I did, I'd love to hear your story in the comments below. And of course, always talk to your doctor or healthcare provider before you start any new supplement routine. It took a little time, but the change was undeniable. The constant exhaustion was replaced with steady, all-day energy. The bloating was gone. My body finally started responding to all my hard work. It was never about finding one magic pill. It was about understanding that our bodies are incredibly complex and everything is connected. By first focusing on healing my gut and then targeting my metabolism with a smart combination of powerful compounds, I was able to help reset my body's entire operating system. It's about giving your body the right support, in the right combination, so it can finally do what it was designed to do. For me, that meant finally getting unstuck and feeling like myself again. Thanks for watching.